Okay, so that should be the start of the video. We're cutting up my first build and battle box here. If you can see from the camera. All right, here we go. I'm new to this, guys, so bear with me. Oh, I have no idea how they do it. Oh, okay, that's pretty sharp. Yeah, and I'm sweating because I have a video monitor, I have this light fixture right in front of me, and I see people struggle opening boxes, so I got it here. One moment as I dab my face.
What did he say?
Okay, here we go. Notice I don't have no fan because the fan makes noises as I open boxes here. Okay, start it out. Now I don't know how people talk through all this, so we'll get to see how everything's gonna be done. All right, this is my promo from the Build and Battle Box Pelipper right there. That's awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these trading packs or booster packs and see how everything goes. I've noticed that Cocaval had the best pulls from a certain YouTube channel. Then Meowscarada, these other two. Bear with me, it's been 20 years since I've went back to Pokemon, so there's a lot of Pokemon that I don't know. I've been watching Pokemon Journeys on Netflix with my daughter, and we're on Master Journeys Part 3. It's been interesting. I kind of like it. All right, see how this goes. Man, I need to make sure you guys are seeing it from the video. From the top, because this is also my first top-down video along with a headshot video. Hello. I've seen people struggle, and I'm struggling too because I don't want to mess this up. Yeah, I don't know how the Pokemon people do it. They show the card, blah blah blah. There it is. Okay, I don't have to do the trick anymore because this is a new pack. So Paldea Evolved, Build and Battle Box. Got this one. Just looking for the hits. I am gonna get to know them one day as I complete this set. That is my another Pelipper, Skiploom, Frigibax. You guys see it? Oh, we got a Pikachu. An Energy. Psychic Energy. Perfect. Now I got 2 packs here. I got a card protector, which is exact fit, and a penny sleeve. Since I already have a Pikachu, I'm gonna have to use a penny sleeve. Which one is this one? Yeah, this one's a penny sleeve. Vice versa. Yep. A thinner one. I want to get this to be graded. Now I'm still trying to figure out what I do, but with duplicates I would like to have some graded and some to complete my binder set, in which my binder is coming soon. I got it from Vault X. It's a inspired theme of the Paldea Evolved series, or what is this? How do you call these? It's a series, right? Or a set. I'll call it set. Yeah, set. Scarlet and Violet Paldea Evolved set. All right, next pack. I try to learn. See, I like to do it here in the top, open it from the side, and I'm trying to figure out how to look at you guys and look at my video monitor. And I got 2 video monitors, one for top down and one for the headshot. And here's the code. All right, let's keep it going. The next video I should use a sorting tree, so I can sort these based on type. Do I have this card? Okay, I think I have. Okay. I love Raichu. Raichu is my favorite Pokemon. I don't know why it doesn't get that much love, but who knew? Who knows? Pikachu would have been a great Raichu at one point, or if anything. Arctivax. Survivor. Fighting Outlet. Do I have this? I think I have this. And Spiritomb. Can you see that? Spiritomb. Perfect. I think I have this card ready off my energy. I'll move this to the side. I know this is a rare. I'll just put this on the side. I do want to take care of my cards though. It's okay. All right. I don't know how people talk through all this. There's a lot of you gotta be a people person to figure this out. So I have no stories to tell you. I may have stories one day as I try to get used to this pack opening and talking to you and look at the monitor and checking sure if I'm engaging with you guys. But let's see. This time my mic is on because I forgot sometimes that my mic is on mute. Here you go. All right, we got Pikachu. First card, Jufant, Crogunt. Oh, okay, another Rookie D, Fletchinder, Vigoroth. I know there's been so many series that I've missed for the past 20 years, so it's interesting to know all these Pokemon. Do I got another hit? I got Pony. Oh, finally! I've been looking for this card. Hariyama. Okay. Base. So I need this card. So I need this on my binder set. I'm gonna open my card fit protector. It's called the Platinum Series from Ultra Pro. Platinum Series card protector. It's just a much exact thick, a little bit thicker. And then I'm able to slide this in. I gotta double check this. This one's a bit dirty, but alright. And move this to the side. I might do another binder because I have a lot of duplicates. But this main binder I'm trying to do is like a massive set. Get the regulars, the reverse hollows, the secrets, everything. That's a 455 card set of Paldea Evolved. So I'm trying to get that done. But because I have so many, I'm trying to learn how to sell this online. But maybe I'll do another binder if anything. All right, last pack. Let's see how this goes. Just 7 minutes. Okay, not bad. Trying to time myself for you guys because I know even for me, I kind of don't like long videos, but I digress. Long videos are not bad. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we got. Last pack magic. Heracross. Glimmet. Oh, I didn't have this. Okay. That's a Paldean Tauros. And a boss's order. Okay, perfect. Alright guys, thank you for spending time with me and opening these packs. Let me put this and some sets here, or some sleeves. I don't think I have this. Man, is this dirty? I'm just gonna double check here. Okay, yeah, it's the exterior because it looks pretty dirty. And it's a new pack, so I'm going to inspect this later. And boss's orders. I think I might have the reverse, but I'll double check. There's a lot of cards in here. I can't remember all of them, so we'll see. And yeah, here are the main ones. Come on, Pikachu. Come on. Okay, here we go. There we go. Boss's orders. Paldean Tauros. I mean, this is uncommon. But I don't have this card, so I'm happy to get this. Oh yeah, I did have a Spiritomb, but yeah. Alright, much love to Pikachu. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Before we end the video, check out these other videos. Be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to see more videos like this one. And I'll see you all in the next one.